Want to create a new Gmail account or Google account without adding a phone number? I will show you how step by step. First, open your browser or Gmail app and click on this corner. Click on Add another account, then choose Google. Click on Create account, then choose For my personal use. Now enter your first name and last name. Then enter your date of birth and gender. And choose a username for your Gmail. When you choose username, you will have a problem, maybe not acceptable because it's taken by other user. So try to add special username. Create strong password, then click next. Sometimes Google asks for a phone number and sometimes it gives you the option to skip it. If you see the skip button, just press it and continue. A good trick is using fresh browser or creating the account from mobile device. Last step, agree to Google's terms and privacy. And that's it. Your new Gmail account is ready without using a phone number. Keep in mind, Google may still ask for verification depending on your location, device, or activity. Try to add phone number and recovery email if you want to extra security. And try to turn on two-step verification. If this video helped you, send it to someone who always loses access to their email.